Hey there, all you cool cats. This one's for you. Well, for your cats anyway. This is Catnip, and we're gonna dry some out. I harvested a big bunch, stuck it on a cookie sheet, and got it in the Breville Smart Oven Air. We're gonna do it at 120 degrees on the dehydrate setting, and we'll start out with 3 hours. This is pretty cool. It's got a super convection feature which blows air as it heats. And there it is. Hour and a half into it. It's coming along well. It's not real dry, so we'll just open it up a little bit, stick it back in. It's the 3 hour mark. Oh, it smells good. You can feel it's definitely a lot drier. Just give it a little more aeration, open it up a little bit, let the air go through there. Let's try it out for a little longer. Drop it down to an hour this time. Boom. There it is. Oh, it's crunchy. Yeah, this is gonna be great. Let's see if it's ready. I think it is. I need a volunteer. What do you think of that? Oh, smells pretty good, huh? Yeah. Get in that. Oh yeah. Meow. Alright, so we know that the volunteer has accepted the catnip, and we're gonna roll with it. Let's de-stem this bad boy. And wow, this guy's really talkative. I think it's affected him. So we're gonna de-stem this stuff and get it into like a little more useful form for storage. So go ahead and just break it down. I'm going to warp drive here and make this happen. But catnip's pretty cool. You know, it's got a lot of different effects. Some cats, it gets a real euphoric feeling, gives them aggressive playfulness, and for other cats, it can calm them down. But anyway, my cats, they love it. Yeah, just sort out those stems. Get it all ready to go. We're gonna put it through, what is a salad spinner. I just wanted to kind of break it down into smaller pieces, see if there's any other chunks in there, like the bigger stems or something. But your cats are gonna love this. You grow this in your garden, they will be happy. I got mine at the garden store. You can do it from seeds. Stuff grows really well. It's kind of like a weedy mint as far as like its ability to grow, and it's related to basil and oregano. Who knew? Anyway, I would say jar some up, save it for the winter, and make your cats real happy. Give it a final sort, get those big stems out. Man, this stuff is nice. It's fresh, you know. You usually get it at the pet store. It's not nothing like this. I'm gonna put it in a nice jar and save it for later. These guys are gonna love it. Let's get every last little bit. Meow, 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 meow. Look at that. It was a lot bigger when we started, but this is still a lot. Let's see what they think. Oh, yeah. You guys like that, huh? Yeah, I thought so. Meow, meow. What is that? It smells good. Tastes good. Anyway, if you like this video, if you like cats, if you have cats, leave a comment down below. Like it, share it, subscribe. Check out my other videos. And enjoy.